How to log in AliExpress account. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more updates from us. So let's begin. First of all, you need to open up your AliExpress application on your device. After opening up, you'll be able to see this interface. So you need to select your country or region over here. In order to select, you have to simply tap on your drop down sign right next to your country, and from over here you can simply select your country or region. After selecting, you have to go for continue, and after that you will be directed to the home page of AliExpress. So in order to sign in, you have to simply tap on sign in option in the right button side. And from over here, if you want to sign in with your Facebook, Google or Twitter, then you can go for the option over here. If you want or need another option, then you can also go for more options. Here I'm going for Google. If you select Google, then you need to choose an account with which you want to log into your AliExpress account, and simply tap on OK. And after a few seconds, you'll be logged into your account. To view your account, you can simply tap on account option in the right bottom corner, and you can visualize your account over here. So by following this simple step, you can log in AliExpress account. So hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.